Travis Kelce might be a star on the football field, but at home, he's still learning the ropes, especially when it comes to cooking and cleaning. With a little help from his superstar girlfriend Taylor Swift, he's now tackling domestic duties, and his mom Donna Kelce is spilling all the details about their growing relationship. As Travis Kelce and Taylor Swift hit their one-year milestone as a couple, new insights into their private lives have come to light, particularly from Kelce's mom, Donna Kelce. In a candid interview with Extra, Donna humorously revealed that while her son may excel as a Kansas City Chiefs tight end, his home skills are still a work in progress. "He can't clean. He can't cook," Donna shared, adding that Travis is slowly improving thanks to some guidance from none other than Taylor Swift herself. Donna's lighthearted revelation has given fans a charming glimpse into the couple's domestic life, suggesting that Taylor has taken on the role of not just a supportive partner, but also a teacher in the kitchen and around the house. While Travis might not yet be a master chef, the Kelce family's strong work ethic suggests that he will likely tackle these new challenges with the same dedication he shows on the football field. Donna emphasized that her sons, Travis and Jason, have always put their whole hearts into whatever they set their minds to, whether it's their NFL careers or personal growth. "That's just their nature. That's something I didn't teach them, that's in their DNA," she explained. It seems that with Taylor's patient help, Travis is applying this same grit to perfecting his culinary and cleaning skills. This revelation comes on the heels of what has been an incredibly busy year for Travis Kelce. Between the Super Bowl victory, an intense NFL offseason, and his brand endorsements, he's barely had time to catch his breath. Yet, amidst all the chaos, he's managed to keep up with Taylor's Global Eras tour, jetting off to stadium stops in London, Amsterdam, and Singapore, among others. Their relationship has been a headline grabber for fans worldwide, as Taylor has become a frequent presence at Chiefs games, cheering him on from the stands. Over the past 2 seasons, she's attended 15 of his games, with Kansas City enjoying an impressive 12-3 record during those appearances. It's a partnership that seems to blend both their high-profile careers with personal moments, where Taylor is now helping him find his rhythm at home, just as he does on the football field. Travis Kelce's journey from NFL superstar to mastering household chores is just another facet of his relationship with Taylor Swift that keeps fans captivated. As Donna Kelce's remarks show, even in the midst of fame and busy schedules, there's always room for growth, and sometimes, a little help from a loved one goes a long way. With Taylor by his side, Travis seems well on his way to becoming as proficient in the kitchen as he is in the end zone. Fans can't wait to see what's next for this power couple as they continue to balance their dynamic careers with their blossoming life together.